Hi, my name is Prince Angel Dela Cruz and this is my video number 3. In this video, I'm going to show you how to repair a dented panel using a filler. So before we start, as you can see, I'm still wearing all my personal protective equipment. My goggles, my ear muffler, my K95 mask, my overall, my cotton gloves, and my safety shoes. So for this job, the tools that I'm going to use is a grinder for removing paint, a degreaser for removing contaminants on the surface of the panel, metal pallets, of course my filler and hardener. Then I have here sets of sandpapers and my sanding block. Okay, so we can start now by removing the paint of the panel. Okay, now I'm done removing the paint of the panel. We're going to sanding it with sandpaper to smoothen the surface. Then we're going to apply the degreaser to remove the contaminants in this dented panel. Okay, so now we're going to mix the body filler and the hardener. So the ratio of the filler and the hardener should be 100% of the filler and 2% of the hardener. But the ratio will always depend on the weather condition. So today, we're going to use 100% of the filler and 2% of the hardener. Mix it well before applying the filler on the dented panel. So now let's start applying the filler. Okay, now so I'm done applying the filler. I will pause the camera for 10-15 minutes while waiting for the filler to dry. Okay, so now 10 minutes has passed. So the filler is now dry and we can now start sanding the area of the dented panel here. So we're going to use the sandpaper with the roughness of 80. And now we're going to use sandpaper with the roughness of 120.
Ayaw matanggal, di ba yung bakit?
Now we're going to use 220. So for the last step, we're going to use the 400 to smoothen the surface. Okay, so that's the end of my video number 3. Thank you for watching.